Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil. I'd like to just introduce this vehicle that we've been working on. So this install's been carried out all within one day. We've upgraded the radio, we've added a reversing camera, upgraded front speakers, and we've also integrated all that in with an Alpine sub too. So I'll be talking you through a bit about the installation. Just bear in mind this is a Defender 110, so if you haven't seen our video already for the Alderton Defender 90, check it out online. It's on YouTube, so check it out on our channel, or you can check it out on Cambridge Car Audio's website. Go to Expert Systems and then go on Alderton Defender 90. Stunning vehicle, stunning system too, so you can check I put all the detailed spec on there. So first of all, we'll start by looking around this one. So as I said, it's a Defender 110. So what we've added in here is a gloss back finish on the Defender logo. It's a nice little touch there. And then at the top here, what we've got is a reversing camera. So we've actually integrated that onto the screen, onto the Pioneer head unit that we've got. So what I'll do now, we'll just step inside the vehicle. I'll show you the sub that we've got in the back. So as you can see here, at the bottom, we've got the Alpine sub mounted to the cubby box there. So as you can see, flushed in at the top there, we've got the Rainbow Dreamline. So this is a 4-inch component set. So we've mounted them, flushed them slightly above. Looks really cool, a lot more cooler than the original spec. So, and what we've changed in here is the original Alpine head unit to a Pioneer system. So this is a flip out unit. Obviously, as probably many of you know, if you're doing your research and stuff, you have got these buttons behind here. One of the main things with this unit is you've still got your radio functionality, but what you can do is hide away that unit and add in your hazard lights and things like that. And then to open and eject is nice and easy. It's at the touch of a button. So it sort of compromises a little bit with the button loss, but at the end of the day, with the functionality you get, you sort of have to weigh it up a little bit. On your dashboard here, you have got a little microphone that you can see here. Well, you can see that in the video. But that's nicely discreetly put there. We've also added in a USB just into here, so you can charge your phone from there. One of the main things with this though is that it links it so you can use Apple CarPlay. So this unit also has the functionality, if you wanted to add in a navigation module, convert it into an actual fixed navigation system. So as you can see from the system, sounds really clear. You've got a nice amount of bass from the Alpine sub. So it's now nice and punchy, it's nice and clear. Also what we do for the any Defender is sound deadening, so we can sound deaden the whole of the vehicle, everything comes out. Normally what we do is a double layer around this panelling here, but if you want to have any information about that, please do just give us a call. So this unit basically gives you digital radio. As you can probably see on the video, that you didn't see a glass mount aerial on the left hand side of the glass, what people mostly see. What we've done on this car is use a DAB splitter using the existing aerial that's on the outside of the vehicle. So this is giving you digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, Spotify streaming. So really modernises the car, brings a nice feel to it. It's got a nice gloss black finish as well. Really nice unit. It's called a Pioneer AVH Z1000 DAB. And the speakers are the Rainbow Dreamline 4-inch component set, and then we've got the Alpine little sub here as well. So thank you very much for watching our short video. For more details, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. And what I'll be doing, I'll put all the links below for all the products that we've used. Have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We're more than happy to help answer any questions that you have. So once again, thank you very much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Please don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you.